理解，理解。
understand, comprehend.
Understand. Comprehend.
我不理解为什么他那么做。我不理解为什么他那么做。
I don't understand why he did that.
I don't understand why he did that.
这篇文章很容易理解。这篇文章很容易理解。
This article is easy to understand.
This article is easy to understand.
我能理解他现在的心情和感受。我能理解他现在的心情和感受。
I can understand his current mood and feelings.
I can understand his current mood and feelings.
镜子，镜子。
Mirror.
Mirror.
朋友就像一面镜子，能帮助我们看到自己的缺点。朋友就像一面镜子，能帮助我们看到自己的缺点。
Friends are like a mirror that can help us see our shortcomings.
Friends are like a mirror that can help us see our shortcomings.
他不小心把镜子打破了。他不小心把镜子打破了。
He accidentally broke the mirror.
He accidentally broke the mirror.
他穿好衣服，照了照镜子，就出去了。他穿好衣服，照了照镜子，就出去了。
She got dressed, looked in the mirror, and went out.
She got dressed, looked in the mirror, and went out.
而
Conjunction. Showing a contrast. While. Yet.
Conjunction. Showing a contrast. While. Yet.
飞机因天气恶劣而推迟起飞。飞机因天气恶劣而推迟起飞。
The flight was delayed due to bad weather.
The flight was delayed due to bad weather.
他为了下个星期的考试而熬夜。他为了下个星期的考试而熬夜。
He stayed up late studying for next week's exam.
He stayed up late studying for next week's exam.
这场球赛因下大雨而延期。这场球赛因下大雨而延期。
The game was postponed due to heavy rain.
The game was postponed due to heavy rain.
白色代表纯洁，而黑色代表高雅。白色代表纯洁，而黑色代表高雅。
White represents purity, while black represents elegance.
White represents purity, while black represents elegance.
当
When. Just at. A time or place.
When. Just at. A time or place.
当我出门的时候，突然下起了大雨。当我出门的时候，突然下起了大雨。
When I went out, it suddenly started raining heavily.
When I went out, it suddenly started raining heavily.
当我遇到问题时，我会向老师请教。当我遇到问题时，我会向老师请教。
When I encounter a problem, I will ask the teacher for advice.
When I encounter a problem, I will ask the teacher for advice.
当我感到累的时候，我会一边喝茶一边听音乐。当我感到累的时候，我会一边喝茶一边听音乐。
When I feel tired, I drink tea and listen to music.
When I feel tired, I drink tea and listen to music.
困难
Difficulty.
Difficulty.
遇到困难时，首先要自己想办法解决。遇到困难时，首先要自己想办法解决。
When you encounter difficulties, you must first find a solution yourself.
When you encounter difficulties, you must first find a solution yourself.
无论遇到什么困难，都不要放弃。无论遇到什么困难，都不要放弃。
No matter what difficulties you encounter, you should never give up.
No matter what difficulties you encounter, you should never give up.
他心地善良，经常帮助有困难的人。他心地善良，经常帮助有困难的人。
She is kind-hearted and often helps people in need.
She is kind-hearted and often helps people in need.
及时，及时。
Timely. Promptly. In time. Without delay.
Timely. Promptly. In time. Without delay.
幸亏他及时赶到，不然我真不知道该怎么办了。幸亏他及时赶到，不然我真不知道该怎么办了。
Fortunately, he arrived in time, otherwise I really don't know what to do.
Fortunately, he arrived in time, otherwise I really don't know what to do.
感谢您及时的帮助。感谢您及时的帮助。
Thanks for your timely assistance.
Thanks for your timely assistance.
他及时跳入水中，将小孩救起。他及时跳入水中，将小孩救起。
He jumped into the water in time and rescued the child.
He jumped into the water in time and rescued the child.
陪，陪。
Accompany.
Accompany.
当你伤心的时候，真正的朋友会陪在你身边。当你伤心的时候，真正的朋友会陪在你身边。
A true friend will be there for you when you are sad.
A true friend will be there for you when you are sad.
今天下午我要陪奶奶去看医生。今天下午我要陪奶奶去看医生。
I will accompany my grandma to see the doctor this afternoon.
I will accompany my grandma to see the doctor this afternoon.
不管多忙，他都会陪孩子写作业。不管多忙，他都会陪孩子写作业。
No matter how busy she is, she will accompany her children to do their homework.
No matter how busy she is, she will accompany her children to do their homework.
谢谢观看。